Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are going to cover lists in Python. Lists are a versatile data structure that allows you to store and manipulate collections of items. In this chapter, we will explore the creation, access, modification, and dynamic features of list in Python, right? Okay, now I am in PyCharm and I'm going to create a very basic list. Okay. So apple, banana, orange, grape, mango, pineapple. Okay, so this is our list of application. Okay, sorry, this is our list and it contains all these elements, right? Now, in order to access, um, you can directly print it on the screen, fruits, and you need to give the index number, right? If I give the index number, it should be printing banana. Okay, because in programming, it always starts with zero, right? So zero, one, two, three, four, five, right? And if I give five, it should be pineapple. Let's give it something which is not there. Let's say six. We should be getting an error. List index out of range. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so this is how we access a list or elements in a list. Okay. Now, now we are going to modify the list items. Okay. So, okay. How do we do it? We call the variable the list and then we give the index number which we want to be changed. Now give it like 2 in the place of banana. Let's replace it with, okay, what fruit item we have? Strawberry, S-T-R-A-W, straw, B-R-Y, strawberry, right? Now let's access it, fruits, 2, okay. Now let's print it. Okay, so you can see that it has been, banana has been replaced with strawberry, right? So this is how we modify items in a list, right? Now, if you okay, if you just like go through that list um, you know, via for loop for fruit fruit in fruits. Now print fruit. Okay, let's comment it out. This one, save, run. Okay, so we are accessing all the elements from the list before the modification, right? So you can see we still have banana, right? Now, if we run this script here after the modification, okay, we can make it like, modified, I can say modified list. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so now, okay, right, orange. Okay, so we were changing orange previously as it's index number 2, right? So now, okay, in the first for loop we still have orange, but in the second for loop it has been replaced with strawberry, right? So this is how you access items from the list, also you modify the items in a list. Okay. Also, now we are going to check how to append item in a list, right? Okay, how do we do it? I'm going to remove all these things. Okay, how to append item in a list, right? In order to do that, we are going to call that fruits list variable, and we are going to append, and we are going to give it like kiwi, kiwi. Okay, now if I run it, okay, now if I now for fruit in fruits print fruit. Okay, let's run. Okay, so you can see we have got kiwi added to the list, right? So this is how we add items in a list. And now we are going to check how to remove an item from the list, right? Okay. Now instead of append, we are going to say it remove. We are going to add this method here, right? And we are going to say orange or banana. Now, now if we run this command, okay, so you can see we have five items there in that list. However, we do not have banana. So banana has been removed from that list. So this is how we remove an item from the list, right? All right, guys, fantastic. Lists are a fundamental data structure in Python, offering flexibility and efficiency. Whether you are storing elements, accessing them by index, or modifying the list dynamically, Python lists are your powerful ally in coding. All right, guys, join me in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.